In this video, we compare the performance of an original turbo with a hybrid turbo. The original compressor is 44 millimeters, and the hybrid turbo is 55 millimeters. We start by testing the original turbo. This graph can be stored in the machine's database to serve as a comparison for other tests. Now we've removed the original turbo, and we'll mount the hybrid turbo with a 20% larger compressor. Will we also see this gain in performance? Comparing the line of this test with the original turbo, we can already see a big difference. The performance gain is over 30%. Want to prepare hybrid turbochargers? Take a look at our balancing equipment options.